Hey everybody, this is Ben from SCR Tactical. Today I'm bringing you just a short video. I've got my Glock 45. It's a 9mm. Really love this thing. Went to the range with Steven over the weekend, kind of to celebrate my birthday a little. And I realized that I didn't even pay attention. I should have put one of the back straps on to fill my hand a little more. I have some working man hands, big old paws I like to say. At least that's what others say. So with my Glock came two different backstrap sizes, a large and a medium. I chose the large size. Also with these two grips was a tool to remove the backstrap retention pin and the longer pin you'll need when you're using the backstraps. Glock comes with this pin here. So I'm going to take the removal tool and I'm going to line it up best I can and push the pin that is in there out. I think Glock puts this pin in there. I don't think it has any other function except keeping dirt out of the hole. So I'm going to take, you can see here, the one that I just took out is much shorter. So I'm also going to take my large, or that's the medium. I'm going to look, it says L for large. I'm going to pick this up and I'm just going to line it up and squeeze it on with my hand like should snap in. Put the slide closed. As always, make sure your gun's unloaded. That's why my slide was locked open. Alright, so it's on. See? Now I'm going to take the pistol like so. I'm going to take the longer of the pin and I'm going to put it here. Take my thumb, apply a pressure on the back strap forward and squeeze up here. And I just got it to start going. I'm going to take the Glock tool here. And they did it pretty good. It's got a little bevel so it shouldn't slip out. And I'm just going to guide it in. Just like so. Just push straight down. Boom. And it snapped. It kind of clicked right in. See? That's it. It's in. It's good to go. It's not coming off. It fills your hand more. It gives you a nice dovetail feeling. So, you know, you're like this. It's just really comfortable. I was going to point out too, a lot of you might be newer to Glocks or pistols that are used by law enforcement all over the world. Just so you know, this little clip hole here is, some military and law enforcement across the world are required to have it's like a bungee cord clip attached to their pistol to their duty belt in case they drop it or get in a scuffle. That's my video for today. Hope you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Got any questions, put them in the comments.